Are you dealing with pesky color issues on your JVC TV and wondering how to fix JVC TV color problem? You're in the right place. These vibrant visual problems can interfere with your viewing experience, causing frustration. Whether it's strange tints or colors that are way off, we're here to help you restore your JVC TV's picture-perfect quality with our simple guide. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through proven methods to fix color problems on your JVC TV, covering everything from basic setting adjustments to more technical solutions. Let's get started on bringing those colors back to life. Step 1. Check and adjust picture settings. Color problems often stem from incorrect picture settings. Here's how to start fixing it. 1. Access the menu. Use your JVC remote control to press the menu button. Navigate to the picture settings. 2. Adjust color settings. Look for options like color, tint, brightness, and contrast. Experiment with these settings. Often a simple tweaking can balance out wayward colors. 3. Reset to defaults. If manual adjustment is tricky, consider selecting Reset to Default or Factory Settings. This will revert all picture settings to their original state, which can resolve many color issues. Step 2. Inspect cables and connections. Loose or damaged cables might be the culprit behind your JVC TV's color distortion. Follow these steps. 1. Check cables. Ensure all HDMI, component, and power cables are securely connected both at the TV and the source device. 2. Test different ports. Switch the HDMI cable to a different port on the TV to rule out port-specific issues. 3. Replace damaged cables. If there's a visible wear and tear on any cable, replace it with a new one. High-quality cables can make a significant difference in color transmission. Step 3. Run picture tests. Many JVC TVs have built-in picture tests you can use to diagnose display problems. 1. Locate test options. Go into the TV settings menu and check for a picture test or similar feature. 2. Review test results. Follow the on-screen instructions during the test to identify possible issues and get suggested fixes. Step 4. Update firmware. Outdated software can sometimes lead to color problems. Here's how you can update. 1. Check for updates. Go to Settings and find Firmware Update or System Update. 2. Download and install. If an update is available, proceed to download and install it. This may resolve existing bugs and improve overall performance, including color display. Step 5. Contact professional support. If the above steps don't resolve your issue, it may be time to seek professional help. 1. Consult the manual. Refer to your JVC TV's user manual for troubleshooting advice specific to your model. 2. Contact customer service. Reach out to JVC's customer service support for expert assistance. They can guide you through further solutions or direct you to certified repair services. Color problems on your JVC TV can be a hassle, but with these straightforward steps, you should be able to restore crisp, vibrant visuals in no time. From adjusting picture settings, checking connections, and updating firmware to seeking professional help, there's a solution for everyone. Remember, patience and detailed attention can often save the day when fixing tech issues. Now that you know how to fix JVC TV color problems, get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies in their full color spectrum. Happy viewing.